we're going to do here is we're going to challenge the ShinSung 9mm, and we're going to see what it can do to these 5 plates of lead. The lead is about 3/8 of an inch thick. So the first one will be the round balls, and they're 70 grain. And then we got the round flat nose, and they're hollow point. And I hollowed them out to be 122 grain. And then we got the the round flat solid, and they just weigh right out at 130 grain. And then we got the 104 grain semi-wad cutter, and it's hollowed out too. I think the normal weight on those is about 110 or 12 or something like that. They're 104. And then we got the JSB Exact 81 grain, and it's a 35 caliber. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start at the first one, the round balls, and I'll take 5 shots at that one, and then 5 shots at that one, and then next all the way down the line. And hopefully I'll set up the camera about here, and hopefully it'll look okay. So let's find out. Here we are all set up. Hopefully it'll look alright. Oh, I forgot to tell you that we're shooting at 30 yards. That's what this is. So hopefully it'll look okay. I'll do 5 shots on each plate, starting with the round balls first on the left. I figured that before I shoot, I'll show you the shooting range. So there's where we're shooting from back there. That's the 30 yards. Let's go have a look. There's a setup. So she's a 3,000 pound fill. It's going to be tethered into the ShinSung 9mm. So that's her right there. And there's the weapon, or the ammunition we use. All kinds of different sizes and shapes. And then some JSB 35s. Yeah, so this ought to be interesting. There's a Y-Rock 90. Nice piece of machine. We'll shoot it later. Okay. Back to the shooting. All set up. Hopefully I won't shoot my camera. Okay, so the first 5 is the round balls. So I'll try and do this quick for you. Okay, I got the plate, put up another plate here, about a 3/8 thick. Just going to set it there, like that. going to hit that one. This is now at 50 yards. So I'm going to shoot the round flat solid, the 130 grain, and see if that'll penetrate through that. We'll just pretend that's a deer. 50 yards. My camera fell. So anyways, okay, there's 50 yards. The one went right through, and the others were just, I don't know what happened there. But that was the 50 yard. And there it is, way back there. I'll shoot at these some more. Everything else is still blowing right through. This one, I should move that one, this very end one. I should move that back to 75 or 100 yards, and I'll see if it'll hit from there. Okay, we've moved it back to 75 yards. So I'm going to try and hit this plate, and I'll try and hit it in here if I can. So 75 yards. Let's see what that does. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to move it a little bit of a side, like this. I don't know. If it blows through, we'll see it. See what that does. Okay, I can see I hit the wood. That's cool. Okay, I'm going to try this again, but this way. I think that this one that hit here was a JSB. Okay. There. Well, how did that do? Must have hit it a couple of times. There's the plate. There it is. Couldn't find the plate. The sun's so bright. Yep, that's pretty wicked.